Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add a promo code or discount code to your Lyft app, a rideshare app. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so for this demonstration I'm going to head on over to Lyft on my mobile device. And now once I'm inside here, I'm just going to skip out all this stuff here. I'm going to choose my location. So for demonstration, I'm just going to do Los Angeles. Destination, I'm going to go say there. This doesn't matter, so I'm going to go skip here. And now to add a promotional code, so once you've chose your pickup spot and your drop-off spot, you'll be brought to a page that looks similar like this. And then you want to click on to where it says add payment down on the left hand side here, bottom left. And now you can add in your payment method, and also you got redeem a code here. So if you got a discount code or promo code, just put it in here and click on save, and then whatever that total of that code comes to will minus off that trip fare. So if the code covers the full trip, you've got the full trip for free. Or if there's money owing, you got to add a payment method. So if there's $5 or $10 remaining, got to add a payment method to finish off the balance.